Okay, if you're looking for a light, thin, and versatile pro tablet, then check this out. This is the new Huawei MatePad Pro. This is Huawei's flagship tablet, the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inch. Now, in many ways, a good tablet should help you be more productive, more creative in different ways. And the Huawei MatePad Pro certainly helps you do that. So let me give you a walkthrough in this video. Now, first things first, this is a seriously impressive piece of hardware, considering this weighs just 580 grams. And check this out, thickness or thinness of about 5.5 millimeters. It is incredibly impressive what Huawei have done, putting this 13.2 inch tablet in this compact, light, and thin form factor. Now, I'll talk to you about that incredible display in a moment, but as far as the back is concerned, you can see it's finished off with this sandblasted effect. It comes in two colorways. The one that I have currently is this green color, which I think looks really nice. It's also finished off with a nano texture that prevents fingerprints, and I have pretty greasy hands, and as you can see, there aren't very many fingerprints on the back, so that does a good job there. Now, as far as the cameras are concerned, you've got a dual camera on the back, and then on the front here, you've got a very well-placed camera. I wish more companies would do this, because this is essentially how most of us will use our tablets in the landscape form. Now, one of the other cool things about the Huawei MatePad Pro are the speakers. You've got four, so two on each side, and they sound really good. Check this out. Nice, clear, and lots of audio range. Now, I've got to take a moment to talk to you about this absolutely stunning display. Honestly, the first time I took this out of the box, I was wowed by the display, and I think many other people will be as well. This is the world's first flexible OLED display in a tablet, and then it's combined with Huawei's X True Tone technology to give you 1,000 nits of peak brightness for HDR content. And then you also, with this OLED display, get some of the benefits that you wouldn't get with the mini LED display on other tablets. One of those being the fact that in low light and in dark areas, you're not going to get any of that blooming situation. And you've got a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio as well. So that means when you're viewing content and there's a difference between the light areas and the dark areas, it's certainly going to be noticeable on this tablet. It's it's just such a rich, vibrant tablet to be using. When you pair it up with the third generation of the HUAWEI M-Pencil, the responsiveness of this display is incredible. Almost instantaneously, you're able to get feedback from that display, whether you're writing or even touching. And I think that's one of the big highlight selling points of the Huawei MatePad Pro. Now, Huawei have also updated the M-Pencil this year by adding something called Near-Link technology. And the whole idea of Near-Link is that it lowers the latency even further with the Huawei M-Pencil. Really nice, smooth experience I found using this. Very fluid on that display. And in terms of connecting it, you just snap it with the magnet at the top there and it charges, and it's also connected via that way. So certainly worth considering if you're going to pick this up with an accessory. Now, another accessory definitely worth considering if you are planning on doing a lot of typing and productivity is this. It comes in two parts. So you have this one part over here, which has a kickstand and a back panel to help protect it. And then you have the keyboard, and it's a nice, almost like a full-fledged keyboard with mouse interaction. Very fluid, very easy to use. This is the Huawei Smart Magic keyboard, and I really like the fact that it's not only slim and compact, but look at this at the bottom. This is a small thing. If you use a lot of keyboards, you'll know that this is not something that you'll see on very many of them, which is these kind of like legs or stubs that help prevent damage to the actual bottom parts of this portable keypad. And I really like this. All right, another important factor when it comes to a Pro tablet is the all-important battery life. I've been averaging, on my experience with the Huawei MatePad Pro, about 9 to 10 hours worth of use. Granted, I've bumped up the brightness, probably more than most people need or want, and I've also been using it at 120 Hz refresh rate. So if you lower the brightness and also use dynamic mode, you should be able to get more out of this. Huawei are advertising this as around about 12 hours worth of battery life with continuous use. But regardless, I think it still offers great battery life in this slim, thin form factor. Plus, Huawei in the box have included, check this, an 88-watt Huawei Supercharge, essentially fast charging your device, and it's got access port for USB-C and a standard USB, which makes it much more easier to carry this on the go. So as far as software is concerned, this is powered by Harmony OS, and Huawei have their own app gallery for you to download applications from. Now, majority of the applications that I tested and tried were available on Huawei's app gallery, and they're continuously adding to that. But there are some applications that you won't find on the app gallery, so you can use something called Petal Search, which is inbuilt into Harmony OS that will allow you to find the APK files, or essentially the files online that you can then download and install on the Huawei MatePad Pro. In terms of some applications, they will not be available, so you have to kind of find third-party apps within Huawei App Gallery or look at alternatives for those. So that's Huawei's flagship tablet, the Huawei MatePad Pro. I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments down below, so let me know. Plus all the pricing and pre-order information will be down there as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and like, and I'll see you here for another video. I'm M. Kwan, peace and blessings.